Hello everyone, my name is Vanessa Quintero and I'm going to talk about a very interesting building constructed by the principles of sustainable design and environmental friendliness, the Sluňákov Center for Ecological Activities. The Sluňákov Center for Ecological Activities is a biocenter located northwest of Olomouc, in the Morava River Valley in the Czech Republic. It was designed for the purpose of being used to educate the public about the environment and its processes and to support public environmental awareness. The building is also used as an information center and an entrance to the nature protection area of Litovelské Pomoraví. The building was designed as a curved, habitable land wave that fluently blends into the surrounding terrain and symmetrically follows the north-south axis. The architectural design utilizes the southern orientation with a southern glass facade with movable sun blinds. The eastern side of the building symbolically ascends from the ground to enhance the display of the southwestern sunshine. The earth-sheltered northern side of the building fluently adjoins the building's earth-covered roof, which gradually increases in height from the west to the east. The path that leads the visitor from the main entrance over the ridge of the building goes onto the top lookout point that provides a unique view of the entire biocenter and its natural surroundings. The area between the building and the artificial mound in front of the southern facade is used as a living garden for guests and visitors. The building's ground floor is raised to ensure that it is above flood level. The particular shape of the Sluňákov Center provides itself a great flexibility, which is perceived as beneficial to the ecological concept of the entire building. This fact allows the building to reach the spaces required for the installation of the different sustainability systems. Thus, the Sluňákov Center aims to mimic the landscape, and the building becomes a part of it. The building is divided into two different parts from the point of view of the construction. The northern part was proposed to be built as a reinforced concrete skeleton construction. The southern part with the hallway and the load-bearing structure made by wooden frames. The center itself is used for a wide range of activities. The main aims are providing one-day and week-long environmental education programs for school age groups and professional seminars on ecology and education. The building also enables self-tourism that includes environmental education programs. Because the center has been designed as an energy-saving building, it also provides the public with an example of the unbelievable possibilities when designing ecological housing and promoting sustainable development. The headquarters of the Sluňákov Center is a low-energy building made of wood, concrete, glass, stone, and adobe brick. All materials used are traditional and have been chosen due to their environmental friendliness. The building's projected annual energy consumption for heating is nearly 5 times lower than standard structures. The building's design utilizes the principles of solar architecture, heavy layers of thermal insulation, mechanical ventilation heat recovery, and centralized computer control. Green roof and earth mound. The crescent-shaped building has a green roof with an observation deck. The northern section is covered by an earth mound which, in addition to its insulating qualities, also helps the building blend into the landscape when it's viewed from the natural grounds of the center. Solar architecture. Sunshine enters the building through the glazed southern wall. On clear days, these passive solar gains help heat the facility. When the summer sun is higher in the sky, a roof overhang, automatic shades, and air-cooled in an underground heat exchange system keep the indoor temperature at a comfortable level. Thermal insulation. The main energy savings are achieved through heavy layers of thermal insulation on walls, the floor, and the roof. Standard insulation materials are used, like foam or extruded polystyrene. Heat recovery. Heat is recovered from the waste air in the 6 impedance circuits of the building's forced air ventilation system. The heat exchangers installed are systems of plastic plates through which the flow of fresh and waste air alternates. In this way, the heat is transferred to fresh incoming cool winter air and an efficiency of over 70%. For example, waste air with a temperature of 20 degrees can heat fresh air with a temperature of 0 degrees to 14 degrees. Underground heat exchangers. The architectural design of the building enabled the installation of a system of tubes underground heat exchangers in the earth mount. The system involves 15 plastic tubes with a length of 30 meters. If the temperature of the outside air is lower than the temperature in the ground, the ventilation air is heated as it passes through the tube. On hot days, the underground exchangers then help cool the building naturally. For example, air with a temperature of 30 degrees is cooled to 25 degrees as it passes through the system. Heating and hot water. If the temperature on the outside air is too low, and the recovery system and internal thermal gains are not able to maintain the desired temperature in the building, heat is drawn from the accumulation tank and the wood pellet boiler is switched on. Solar system. The solar system provides for 65% of the building's hot water needs. The flat plate solar collectors, low flow system, transfer heat to a 12 cubic meters tank. On sunny days, the system covers all the hot water needs of the building, and the well-insulated tank retains heat for up to 4 days without direct sunlight. Service water line. The design of the building also was planned for the economical use of drinking water. The rainwater from the collection tank behind the building is used for flushing toilets. But as rainwater only partially covers this need, Sluňákov Center designers are also planning to pump groundwater during dry periods. Other sustainable applications. Since it's not possible to rely on technical solutions alone, efforts are also made to ensure that the operation of the building is also environmentally friendly. Ecological cleaning agents and recycled paper are used. A wide variety of healthy meals are prepared using locally grown and organic ingredients. The same applies to products offered in the visitor center shop. Containers are naturally recycled and biological waste is composted. With its complex but clear sustainable design, this center completes its function of being an influential ecological education center because the building itself is an example of environmental awareness. This is how the Sluňákov Center for Ecological Activities achieves the architectural goal of replacing the natural landscape with a human-made element that, despite it can restore the virgin essence of nature, can be an artificial piece capable of satisfying not only the community needs but the environmental needs.